Hello everyone, and welcome to Racext. Today, I'm here to tell you about a unique opportunity that could radically change your relationship with your beloved motorcycle. We will delve into one of the most important and crucial components of your motorcycle today, the braking system. Brakes are your ace in the hole when it comes to road safety. They allow you to control speed and safely come to a stop in emergency situations. But what happens when they break down? What do you do when you realize they're not functioning optimally? The answer is simple. Learn to repair them yourself. And this is where the Motorcycle Mechanics course by Racext comes into play. In this course, we will teach you everything you need to know about motorcycle braking systems, from the principles of operation of discs and brake pads to the importance of regular maintenance and diagnosing common issues. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or already have experience. Our course is suitable for everyone. In the course, you will also learn a lot about the engine, the fuel system, the lubrication system, and much more. If you've ever been looking for a comprehensive and detailed guide on how to keep your motorcycle in top condition or repair it yourself, then our course is just right for you. Not only will you save money on workshop repairs, but you'll also acquire valuable skills that will make you a better motorcycle mechanic. Sign up for our course at Racext now and prepare to master your motorcycle like never before. Remember, road safety begins with maintenance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the Racext channel.